How to log out of Prime Video on TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can log out of your Prime Video app on TV. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log out of your Prime Video application on TV, it's actually very simple to do so, because all you have to do is just go ahead and then first of all, open the Prime Video application. There are two ways on how you can do this. One is you can log out via the Prime Video app itself, and the other is you can clear the data of the app. So right here, when you come to the Prime Video screen, you'll see this type of interface where you can see I'm logged into my account. So on the left hand side, scroll down to the settings option. When you go to settings, keep on scrolling all the way to the bottom until you find the option called sign out, and then just click the sign out option to sign out completely. After I've done that, what I want to do is, this is the first way to do so. Other way you can do it is go to the gear icon from the top. Again, click the settings icon. You'll come to the settings page where you want to go to apps, and then just go to Prime Video. And then you just want to go to this option called clear data. When you clear the data, all the data for this app is going to get cleared, and as a result you will also be logged out of Prime Video. This way you'll be able to log out of Prime Video app on TV. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.